Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving deeply into the mission planner. Today, we will set up the plan, run the simulation, and then analyze the flight log to understand the behavior of the drone, along with the geofencing property to learn some more extra features. So let's get started. Here you can see the interface of the mission planner software. Mission planner is one of the most popular ground control station for Arduino based unmanned systems. It is an open source software. You can download it from the arduino.org website. So let's move ahead. Here at the top right corner, you can see the connection about the status about the connection. Here are the some tabs. To connect our drone with the SITL software, click on the simulation. Here you can see this is my farm. Here is our home location. We can also change home location. So we will keep here. So here you can see various types of the unmanned systems. You can also select the particular model from the list. Now we will go simply with the multi-rotor. Click on multi-rotor. Click on the stable. So downloading SITL software. SITL stands for the system in the loop. So the stable version is properly developed version and the latest version is still under developing phase. So it may have some bugs. So it is getting connected with the Meowlink. Here you can see it turned into the green. So our drone is properly connected with the SITL software. So here you can see the icon of the drone. Today we will use the geofencing feature. Geofencing is a virtual boundary on the map to restrict the movement of the drone. So let's configure it. Click on the configure tab. Click on full parameter list. In this, okay. Here you can see the search bar. Click on type here fence underscore. So here you can see the filtered out parameters about the fence. So let's check. First is the fence action. Here by default value is 0. So we will keep 1. See here 1 for 0 for report only, 1 for RTL or land. That means after breaching the fence, drone will return to the launch. So here the second parameter is maximum altitude. Here we can set 500. Next the minimum altitude is -10. Next fence enable. Here type 1. 0 for disable, 1 for enable. Next fence radius we will keep 1000. Other parameters we will keep as it is. After setting the parameters, click on the right parameters. Are you sure? Yes, I am pretty sure. So parameter successfully saved. Okay. So let's make one plan. Click on the plan tab to make the plan. Scroll for zoom in and zoom out. You can also move this bar also. So let's understand the scenario. This is my farm, and near to my farmhouse there is one water body, and I don't want to fly my drone under the on above the water body. So I will make one fence around this water body to restrict the movement of the drone above it. So let's create one fence. Click on here, select fence. Okay. At the left side, click on first circle, draw a polygon. So I am drawing one fence around the water body. So you can also move these waypoints. Alright. Again click here, click on fence exclusion. So there are two types of the fence. One is the fence inclusion, that means we are only allowed to fly inside the boundary, and another is the fence exclusion, that means we are not allowed to fly inside the boundary of the fence. So this is the type of the fence exclusion. So here you can see the waypoints about the fence, and this is the waypoint radius. Here is the 2 meter, we will keep as it is. Then click on the right to write the fencing parameters, fencing waypoints. So let's make one plan. Click here, select mission, left click for adding the waypoints. We are randomly adding the waypoints. So we are intentionally adding one waypoint beyond the fence to understand the how the drone behaves after reaching the fence. So that's right, you can see here the waypoints. Make last waypoint as a return to the launch. That means if after reaching the drone at the last point, drone will change its mode and it will return to the launch position. So here you can see the altitudes of the waypoints. Let's keep 15 for the all, 10 for some waypoints, again 15. Yeah, here you can see the waypoint radius, it is also 2 meter. Waypoint radius is nothing but this wide circle. That means the drone will not touch the center point of the waypoint, it will just pass through the circumference of this white circle. So as you keep the waypoint radius smaller, the drone will pass through the center. As you keep the waypoint radius bigger, the drone will move from far away from the center of the waypoint. Let's try. Click 20. So see, here you can see the circles are getting bigger. That means the drone will not pass through the center, the drone will pass here and it will passing through the touching through the white line. So keep it 2 meter. All right, click on the right to write the our plan into the drone. From here also you can see here home location. You can also paste your latitude and longitude to find your home directly. So let's take the flight. Click on the data. Here you can see the real-time information about the flight during the flight takeoff. Here you can see some more information. So let's click on the action. Here are some modes. You can also change the flight mode from here. Here you can see the altitude of the drone and here the speed of the drone, and here is the flight mode. So let's fly our drone. Click on the arm, right click on the drone, click on takeoff. Okay, so our drone will starting the takeoff. Here you can see the altitude is rising and mode is the guided. So click on auto mode. After clicking auto, drone will automatically follow our decided path and it will complete the flight. So here you can see the speed of the drone is also increasing and altitude is setting near about the 15, because we are setting the 15 for first two waypoints. Here you can see the drone movement. So let's wait for the completion of the flight. Next 2 points, we are setting our altitude as a 12 as a 10 meter. So altitude again decreases to the 10 meter. So let's zoom out. So here you can see drone will not touch the center point, it will just passes through the 2 meter away from the waypoint center because of the waypoint radius. So now let's see, drone will about to breach the fencing. Here the mode is auto. Let's check. So now drone is touching to the fence. It is entered into the fence, and here you can see the fence breach boundary. So it will, the mode is flight mode is changed to the RTL, and drone will return to the launch position. So let's it come to the launch position, home location. And now it will start landing. So here you can see the altitude is decreasing and speed is also reduced. Let it land. Alright, our drone is landed successfully and it is disarmed. So let's check the flight log. Flight log is just like the black box in the commercial flights. It stores all the data of the flight. So click on the right arrow, and here are the options related to flight logs. This is the telemetry logs. If you are using telemetry, then you can select this to download the logs. Now we are not using telemetry now, so we are just click on the DataFlash Log and click on the download DataFlash Log via Mavlink. So here is the log is the latest log. Select this and click on the selected download selected log. So let it download. Alright, so let's click on the review a log. So click on download documents, mission planner, SITL plus logs. 8th plan is the latest plan. The flight log is downloaded in the form of the bin format .bin file. Open that file. So here you can see, maximize this. You can see here the data related to our flight logs. This is the map, just our drone followed. This is the graph. You can select or deselect maps. These are some parameters data. So let's make one graph. Here you can see various parameters. Let's check. Click on GPS. Click on the, just select altitude. So here you can see the graph of the altitude. So for the home location, it will take off. First 2 points we are keeping the altitude as the 15. Again next 2 points we are keeping altitude as a 10, so it will decrease the altitude. Again last 2 points we will keep the altitude, we are keeping altitude as again 15, so it will gain the altitude again. And after RTL and reaching the home location, it will land. So this is the graph of the altitude. So click on the map. So here you can see, scroll for the zoom in or zoom out, right click, set scale to default. So if you double click on the at any point, so in the graph you can see where you were at the exact that point. So if you click here, so it will show you were here at this instance. Double click here, so it will show you were here. So let's check the speed. Yes, here this is the speed, graph related to the speed. Scroll for the zoom in. So you can see here the speed is rising, increasing. After this point it will start to decrease. Just double click on here, so it will show you were here at this point, this instance. Just double click here, you will see you were here. Again double click here, you were here at this instance. At the lowest point you will here. So by this we can understand that near to the waypoint the drone will decrease its speed, and after passing the waypoint it will again increase its speed. So deselect it. Here is the latitude. This is the graph about the latitude. This is the graph about the longitude. So in this way you can also review such more parameters. So let's check one more. Click on RC in and RC out. That means the flight controller signals in and signals out. This is channel 1, channel 2, channel 1. This is the RC out of the channel 1. You can see the graph. RC2, channel 3, channel 4. So scroll for the zoom in, or you can simply draw circle, draw rectangle to zoom out that area. So here you can see there is a difference in the each channel. So again deselect it. So I will show one more point. Here you can see modes. Click on mode. So here you can see first during the arm the mode is stabilized. After taking off, the mode change to the guided mode. After reaching the certain altitude, the mode is changed to the auto. After that till here the mode is changed keep as a auto, and after here the mode is changed to the RTL. That means we get to know that at this instance we breached the fence and mode changed to the RTL, and after that drone will fly into the RTL mode. So this is about the mode. Let's check altitude. So here you can see altitude. So let's analyze this all data into the CSV file, into the Excel. So just we will analyze the GPS data table. So you can click here to filter out. Instead of this list, just select GPS and filter. Here you can see the data related about the GPS. This is the latitude, this is the longitude data. Just right click and click on the export visible. So here you can see output. We will give any name, random name, and we will save this file into the format .csv. We will keep it on the desktop. Click on the save. So let's review that file. So here is the file. Double click on it. As it is in the CSV file, obviously it will open in the Excel. So you can see here all data related about the GPS. So here, this is the latitude, this is the longitude data. So let's make one graph about the flight path. So click on the insert. In the chart section, click here scattered graph and click on this graph. So this is the chart. Click on the chart. Click on select data. Remove the existing series. Click on add to add the new series. Give name to the series. I will give path 1. X-axis values, I will select longitude, and for y-axis values I will select latitude. Click on K column, click on OK, and click on OK. So here you can see it is the path taken by our drone, followed by our drone. So it is exactly similar to our path shown in the mission planner in the map. So you can see here this is the path, and from the data, GPS data, we can also retrieve that path after any time. So here you can see at the corners, drone will not take the sharp corners due to the viewpoint radius as 2 meter. If we set the radius more than 2 meter, near about the 10, drone will make the perfectly circle here like this. So that's all about the today's video. Hope you will like the content. This content is useful for you. If you like the content, click on follow. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.